Here's a loud sound to play, and find one of your lost AirPods when it's out of the case and you can't find it. It's probably misplaced under a pillow, inside the couch, in a cabinet, on the bed, in your car, or even in the fridge. Tap on the mirror icon and select AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. Find your AirPods that are nearby and within Bluetooth range. Once your AirPods are connected, play this video sound. Now listen. The sound will come from the connected left or right AirPod that's nearby and lost.